chocolate chips. No. Chocolate chips were in. Now the eggs. Eggs. Look at chocolate chips. Now this. Yeah. Oops, I spilled some. There's more. More chocolate chips. I love chocolate chips. It's like they're expensive. But I tasted it. Yeah, these are chocolate chips. So I need to eat this. Oh, there's some in there. Dump in. This is there we go. It's a cat. Come on, let's try that.
Oh look, there's 3. Should we put those in?
Look at that cookie
Look at that! Look, it looks like cookie dough now.
taste it. Taste it. It looks good.
So now have a spoon and roll it into little balls.
Oh, this will be yummy cookie dough. Ooh.
Okay, put it on your pan.
What? I wash my hands. I need soap.
Okay, put it on the pan. Ooh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a nice one. Okay, put it on the pan.
Ooh, it's stick together. It's stick together.
Sure is. Okay, here, roll this one.
That's a cookie. A cookie dough show. A cookie dough show. Look at that. Look at that. I do the two good ones. These are smooshed, so I didn't can't come up. Ooh, look at this one. This one's cute. Look at all this. Oh, that's the biggest one. This cookies is hard. It's hard to make cookies. That's too much. There's two more left.
Do you want to do one?
No, you do.
Okay. Are you sure? You make really good balls.
You like you too.
Oh, thank you. Here.
They make good balls. I did. Goodbye, cookie dough. Oh,
How long should we put them in the oven?
2 weeks. I'm putting it on top of this. Oh, it looks so sweet. Oh, this is a baby one.
No.
It goes on top.
Shoot.
I'm going to bite that one. That's a good space too. There's chocolate chips in these. This cookie dough is good. This cookie dough is good for the wall. Oh, that's too much. Oh, that one's good. You know what's this? This is a messy counter. It's not in here. This is how it works. Clean this over. Then it's Stewart's cookie dough. Another cookie dough done. The dough's hot. Look at that cookie. It's good. Huge cookie. We're making chocolate chip cookies. Get that cookie up.
Wasn't that so much fun?
Yeah.
Now make sure if you want to make cookies that you ask your parents or an adult to help you.
Look at I put it. Here.
You kind of tip it up and shake it little like that. There.
I'm going to do this.
Here, I'll hold the pan.
You hold it.
Oh, wow.
It was good. Oh, it falls out. It's hot. You don't touch it. Oh, it will fall off.
Was it a delicious cookie? Can I try one too? Which one should I try? That one? Thanks for watching Evelyn's cooking show.
Thanks for watching our cooking show.
This was a lot of fun. Let us know in the comments what you would like to see Evelyn cook next. If you like this video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. Check in again next week for her next cooking show.
These ones.
Yeah, these ones. Like, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.